In this video, we will learn how to delete a Discord account. Let's get started. I have a Discord account. If you don't have one, go to the Discord website and create an account. First of all, click on User Settings and go to My Account. Here you can see the Edit User Profile. Scroll down. Here you can see that there are two options, Disable Account and Delete Account. Click on the Delete Account. In order to delete or disable your account, you have to transfer ownership of all servers that you own. Go back. Go to the server and right-click on it. And then go to the server setting and click on Members. Here you can choose a new member to be the owner if you want to delete. Here you can delete server. Then go back to User Settings and back to Delete Account. Click on the OK. This is how to delete a Discord account. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.